Okie doke, we're at the top of 15 at Telluride Ski Resort. Looking at it, and over at the mountains, and right here we're looking all the way at the bottom of the lift. We're fixing to go right off of this, and right here in front of our skis you'll see the part that I was talking about that's a little over 25 degrees, we believe. And then not too far, it cuts off into normal. And what we're gonna do is let Paul take it, and we'll record him to the bottom. What do you think? You ready to take it?
Yeah.
Okie doke. I'll follow you. What do you think? Was it worth it?
Oh yeah.
All right. GoPro, stop recording.